Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Etoro Know Your Customer or KYC process. This tutorial will walk you through the steps to complete your Etoro KYC verification. First, it is essential to understand what KYC is. KYC is a standard regulatory requirement that financial institutions must follow to verify the identity of their customers. This process helps prevent identity theft, money laundering, and other financial crimes. To start the KYC process on Etoro, log into your account and click on the profile icon. Then, navigate to the verification section. You will be prompted to provide identification documents, which typically include a valid government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and a proof of address document, like a utility bill or bank statement. Make sure the documents you upload are clear, valid, and not expired. The name on the documents must match the name on your Etoro account. Once you have uploaded the required documents, submit them for review. The verification process usually takes a few hours to a few days, depending on the volume of requests. You can check the status of your verification in the same section where you uploaded your documents. It is crucial to note that Etoro may request additional documentation or information to complete the verification process. This is a standard procedure and is done to ensure the security and integrity of your account. After your account has been verified, you will receive an email confirmation, and you can start using your Etoro account without any restrictions. Completing the KYC process is a one-time requirement, and it is essential to comply with regulatory requirements and maintain the security of your account. Best practices include keeping your account information up to date, using strong passwords, and enabling two-factor authentication. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a smooth and secure experience on Etoro. Remember to always prioritize the security of your account and follow regulatory requirements to avoid any issues or restrictions.